Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Trumbull County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lordstown and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bristolville, Hubbard, Cortland, North Bloomfield, Kinsman. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Trumbull County, Ohio.